Hello, today I'm going to be making a hamburger, and I'm also making dinner for my family. All you'll need is 3 patties, a few spices of your choices, 3 slices of cheese, an onion, a tomato or 2, some salt, a knife, plates, and these 2 are optional, but it's barbecue sauce and tartar sauce, and slices of bread. First, you want to put your patties on the frying pan in the heat. Just let that sink there. Ooh, that was a hard one. After they're on and looking a bit grayish but still raw, add some salt to toughen the meat up. It always makes a good chewy burger, so you gotta do that first. Let that stay that side, and then when it flips over, I'll put some salt on the other side. As my patties are cooking, I get my tartar sauce and barbecue sauce, put it on a slice of bread, like that. And just spread it all over. As my patties are frying, I spread all the tartar sauce and barbecue sauce all over my slices of bread. These are now a bit more ready, so I'm gonna add some spices to every single one, just like that. Next, and remember, you want to put your spices on both sides of the patty. That's it. Let them fry for some more. After my patties had fried for a bit more time, I like to stick a knife through just to see the texture and feel how crunchy it is. And you don't have to make it so hard and chewy. Choose the texture you like. Also, poking holes through helps the spices sink in better so you can get that flavor. I personally like to add some Worcestershire sauce because it makes it real good. After your patties are done frying for a bit more time and starting to look like this, you want to turn your heat down to low. As they're still frying, you want to cut up some tomatoes and onions into round circles, kind of like this. And as those are looking good like that, you want to get your tomatoes and onions, put it just to the side like so. Be careful not to dip your finger in there or your hand. Third tomato failed. After your tomatoes and your onions are done frying for about 25 seconds, put them on the bread. Final step, get your cheese slices and carefully place them onto the patties. Like that. Second slice. Here we go. Move that there. Third slice. And after you're done putting your cheese on the patties, leave it on there for about 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Like this. Once you see it's done, starting to melt, move it over. Put it on your bread. Next one. Okay, that was a horrible miss. There we go. You want to squish the 2 things together. Pop and pop. Homemade burger. All done.